Alright, so we're going to look at how to get to a subject-specific database, which is a great way to narrow your focus down. If you search from the main page here in the main search bar, that's going to search 95% of our databases, which is great to get a very broad overview. But if you're really looking for something specific like in psychology or nursing or something like that, the best thing to do is to hit our databases link under our quick links here. That'll open up a new window, and this will list all of our databases alphabetically. You can click on a specific database, for instance, if you know you want DSM, you can click on D, scroll down to the bottom, click on DSM-5. That database will open a new window. Now, to get to the subjects, make sure all is clicked, and under all subjects, scroll down to what you think your broad category is. So if you're looking at something education-based, click on education. This is going to be the librarian over here to the left that knows the most about that subject. To the right are the databases that she feels work best for educational topics. So you can click on the top one here, Education Source. It'll open a new window, and we'll give you your search bars here. You'll hit search. You just type in something simple so you can see what that looks like. And this will look very similar to our main search in that the results are in the middle and your limiters are going to be on the side. So you still have date limiter, full text, scholarly limiters, source type limiters, subject limiters, all